Okay. We're in real-time bad decision-making mode here. Stand by. Time out on Corvette time. We gotta go run an errand. In the slightly suspect Volkswagen product, going to pick up another Volkswagen product. Before we came in the car, we had to push a Volkswagen into the shop.
We're actually working on a Corvette.
And
today.
we're currently working on a Corvette.
The scene in Vacation where he doesn't know where the fuel filler is, and he sees the person next to him open it and do that, and he takes. Just checking the license plate. Bel Air, 15 miles.
It's only another 180 in New York.
What do they have in New York that we can get? I think there's a Vanagon up there. That
Right, all sorts of
Yeah.
all sorts of cool stuff. We're gonna operate the one.
You have to put it in drive. It's an automatic. That's great.
One pair of pants later.
Okay, seriously, what have I done? It's gotten out of hand. We are working on the winter beater today. Be first time putting it up on the lift. Got to do some inspections of the air suspension system. There's definitely some leaks. Hopefully we can get those sorted out pretty quickly. We got a laundry list of stuff that we got to sort out going into the spring between this car and a whole handful of others that we're going to get started on soon.
Go forward a little bit. Right there.
Look, the winter beater can't just go up on any sort of jack pads. We have to have special Porsche.
Winter beater jack.
Mind the Porsche jack pads. Like that.
Jug jugga jug jugga jug jugga jug jugga jug jugga jaw jaw jigga jug jugga jug jugga jug jugga jug jugga jug jugga jaw jaw.
Some fluid.
That's grease leaking out of
Grease.
that. Yeah.
What is that right there?
Probably.
Is that just dirty water?
Water and grease.
Just dirty water.
Oh.
Little seepage.
Yeah, on that
Is
oil
that the
cooler.
cooler?
That's an oil cooler. Yeah, that's a notorious leaking spot for these things.
Okay.
On the oil coolers.
It's not. I mean, it's probably doesn't even drip.
No,
it's not
this thing
enough.
hasn't left any spots anywhere.
Yeah.
I did notice the only thing on the top that I could see is there's a vacuum pump on the backside of the engine, which is
Yeah.
notorious for leaking it looks like it's seeping a little bit. Of course, it's like the worst thing to ever do. It's like you need to change a freaking $50 vacuum pump, and it requires drop an engine.
Oh, for sake.
I mean,
Yeah.
here we go with the chassis system failure, which means it's not holding height on this front left corner. I think I've got enough parts and time today to hopefully button up that strut, which is the worst problematic thing. So here we go. All right, we got this. We got the strut out.
We missed the bang.
We missed
The bang. We'll get that on the next one.
It's all Keegan's fault.
It's not my fault.
It's all his
It's not my fault. It's not my fault.
So now we got to de-pin this connector, put a bunch of new stuff in here, then get it back in the car, and then
And let it go.
yeah. There we go.
Did they go any wider?
Christ. We're there. We're there. Now, grab a hold of that foot there.
Fucking magic.
I think this, because the O-ring must be in here. This is just the
That doesn't go up any higher.
fucking...
It's not budging.
We're not making a big deal out of it.
Can we put that in something that will hold it better?
Oh, yeah, that moves a little bit. Yep. Try wiggling it the other way.
I'll check my pump. Yeah, there you go. Yep, there you go.
Hey, if you go flying backwards, have a plan.
Yeah, it's turning. Is it moving though?
Yeah, I mean, oh, is it
I
going
know
out?
it's moving.
It's twisting, but it's not moving backwards.
Is it going
no.
backwards?
Oh,
Something.
it's crowding! I see the head! Hot water.
That's tight.
Yeah, O-ring did its job.
It probably wasn't leaking from this side, and we didn't need to do this.
Oh, I know.
That's bigger than I thought.
That's what she said.
Wait, it's going.
Oh, there's another ring here.
there's.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
is that?
Did you get one of these? 'Cause that doesn't look good.
No more Hickson.
You could probably use anything. You know,
It's the right thread
I
pitch.
mean, your car, you
Is that thing going on straight?
put some old bolt.
Yeah, it's the
Probably have
socket's crooked, not the.
Okay.
Things that they weren't here. I
No,
didn't
these are, no,
There we go. Okay. So that's up.
Yeah, this is going to get real fun when we start pushing computer buttons.
We're back at it with the winter beater project, dorking around with Cayenne's air suspension. And I have a tank of compressed nitrogen. We still got one strut that's leaky, but I'm going to try to charge the system and see if we can get it going. We got nitrogen, we got a manifold gauges and a regulator for this. Theoretically, the system should be pumped up with nitrogen to 245 psi. I'm hoping we do that. We still got to probably replace seals on one more rear strut. but it's not leaking as bad nearly as that front one, so. I'm hoping we charge it up, see how it works, and in the next couple of weeks, if I get around to fixing that rear one, we'll do that and get the system fully operational.